we will talk about conjunctions.
There are many types of conjunctions, and one of it is subordinate conjunctions.
Subordinating conjunctions are words that joins together independent clause and dependent clause. And sometimes they're referred to as subordinators or subordinate conjunctions.
The function of subordinate conjunction is to make clear about the relation of the two clauses.
Some of the relations they show are time, place, causes, result, and alternatives. Here are some examples of the subordinating conjunctions. Commonly used subordinate conjunctions that shows cause and effect are because, since, though, as, even though, and although. I am not going to work because I am sick. The conjunction there is because it shows the cause and effect. Next is that I will not release her payment unless she completes her work. The conjunction there is unless. Some subordinating conjunctions are used to show the transition of place and time. Example of these conjunctions are where, wherever, whenever, as soon as long as, and once, and when. For example, the child ran to her parents as soon as he saw them. So the conjunction there actually is as soon as. Next example is, as long as she lived, she took care of the orphanage. And the conjunction there is as long as. So that's all for our grammar tutorial. And once again, I'm Angel Marie Torres, and thank you for watching.